Hello, welcome to an unusual review here, but this is the Lego Technic Star Wars. But first of all, we're going to have a look at the Droid. I never knew about this until I bought one. I bought mine off eBay with 90% part, 90% incomplete. I think I must have bought one incomplete with 99% of the parts. I would explain during the review why I had, well, when I was rebuilding it, I had to get replacement parts. One replacement part, which is shown on where that green blade is pointing at. It's a different colour to the rest when we unveil the figure. Here's the box. It's a bit big to put in the shot. Got the back, what the features does. You got the back, and I'll show you how to just go into the features, show it in. Yeah, the deadly Droids from episode 1, the Fountain Menace. I tried to do that, it tends to fail. Got a good artwork of the Droid, saying that is it for the box. Here's the figure itself. Here is the figure itself. Here's the figure itself. At the minute, it's in its ball mode at the moment. And I'm going to have to change the battery very quickly. If you quick edit there. Oh yes, I do apologise. My battery died. So now it's on charge. Hopefully it should be on blinking charge. Hopefully it should be on charge. It's got a dodgy charger. I believe I've got a dodgy charger. Anyway. Back to the Droid. Yes, as I say, this is my very first Technics. This is a 5-bag build, but I converted it down to 3 build. I converted it down to a 3 build bag. Part 1 of the bag is the lower body. Part bag 2 the upper body. And bag 3 head and guns. It's got a big instruction manual like this. Of course, I can build the droid tank. I can build. I can build this, but there's no chance. I probably will get another Droidica for that, or find the pieces that require that in blue. Anyway, it's in its ball mode. I tried to do it in its roll mode. It failed. So to open it up, you see that little red lever on the head. Hold it like this, and let me just push it down. Oh god. No. Too soon. My Droidica went out too soon. He came out too soon. My buddy went out too soon. He went out too soon. Let me just raise the camera up. It's a pain to get this up and running properly. It's a nightmare. Push that big red button down. Fortunately, there we are. Didn't push it down hard enough. Here's the Droidica. There he is. There's the Droidica. It's a big boy. Yes. What I pointed out earlier, that black bit is the replacement. Is the replacement part I had to buy from a Technic job lot from Amazon. Just type in if any Technic piece. And of course I didn't build the arms properly. Didn't build the arms properly on the Droidica, but now it's near enough, 99%. I don't care about that little red bit there. But it's an awesome figure. And I love it. Like I say, if you're a Star Wars fan and a Lego Technic fan, let me just move it aside. I'm going to bring in a big boy we haven't seen in a long time. I'm going to compare it with my Lego Star Wars buildable character, Grievous. Look at the size. Now look at the size. If you think that's accurate, it's for you. I will put an in card if you want to see a review of my buildable figure, General Grievous, on a standalone video. I do have another battle droid. I do have another Technic set. I don't know when I'm going to review it yet, but oh god, camera's taking live. I have it here. It's always under my desk. It's under my desk. Here's the B1 Battle Droid. The B1 Battle Droid, which I will do a dedicated review for that on its own. I'll do a dedicated video for that on its own. As for now, it just sits under my desk. Just sits under my desk in storage mode. Just sits under my desk in storage mode. And yes, it has the commando colours on it. It has the commando colours on it. I won't go through every commander. That's probably why I'm planning on getting 2 more of them. I'm a big fan, and also I should bring in one of his cousins, the tiny 3.75-inch Droids. Here's the figure, and here's the Lego buildable. Here's the Lego Technic version of the Droid. Its big brother. And these were the droids I first fully got the gold on Battlefront 2. And it was these. And it was these puppies. They're awesome droids. And good luck getting one brand new. It will cost you a bomb to find one brand spanking new. I got mine second hand. And yes, as I say, during the build I had to find a lot of spare pieces. All works, everything. I wouldn't dare to do the roll because it's hard. I'll put an in card for General Grievous in the video. I will do the B1 Battle Droid, but I'll show you a preview what's coming in another Lego Technic. I got to build this guy back up. I got to build this back up. Yeah, I got to build the B2 Battle Droid back up. Just for the purpose of this review. Just the purpose of this news review. So, the Droid is the only one that can go back in his box. It's awesome. You could just go boom, 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 and you can kill some Jedi. Boom, 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 boom. They are my favourite. Yeah, they're my favourite Separatist droids. Please comment below what are your... Well, my top favourite battle droids. Number 1 is the Droidica. Number 2 is the Commando Droids, 3 is the B2s, and 4 is the B1s. You all have different. Please put your comments below. Please put your comments down below. If you like this, good luck finding one rare. Good luck finding one. They are very expensive. If you want General Grievous, ho 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 ho. Hello there. Oh, there was one more quick comparison before I leave. I want to compare it to an actual Bionicle set. For instance, a Titan. I want to compare it to Maximus. Here's Maximus. Here's Maximus on the right, the Droid on the left. If you want a review of that, please put a like and comment. Please comment, do a review of Maximus and Spinax. And I'll tell you the story why I got this little bad boy. Well, I've got this bad boy. I'll do it in a dedicated video if I can get enough likes. So if you like the Droidica, you want one, good luck finding one. Good luck finding one. I'll say the B1 Battle Droid seems to be the easiest to find, but it's very rare to find them factory sealed. Same with the B2. Good luck finding them. And may the Separatist will destroy you. And thanks for watching. And bye for now.